Hi guys, how to make bootable pen drive on Windows 2022. So click Chrome browser. If using other browser, no problem. So type get into PC, get into PC, and search server 2022. Then click to go. Scroll down. This is Microsoft Windows Server 2022 April update. So click, scroll down. So when you click download 64-bit, so open automatically new tab, and then wait please on this page, because around 2 to 5 to 6 second download start is automatically Windows ISO server ISO. Okay, and I already downloaded, so I don't want to, so I just push. And then one more thing, Rufus download, and then click, scroll down, and then click to suppose 3.18, and then open. Click to yes. So 16 minimum 16 GB pen drive is required, and here to select server 2022, then OK. TPT 2.0 secure boots, it's selected, and GPD, and then click to start button. Around 15 to 20 minutes it finish automatic make bootable pen drive. So guys, thank you, and have any showing some errors, so please give me descriptions, I will support you. Okay, bye bye.